Hello viewers, have a good day. We are doing Python basic program. Already we have completed 60 exercise. Now we are going to see 61. The video who are watching newly, they can refer the earlier videos. So we can see 60 exercise of basic Python program. Now we'll start the classes. Write a Python program to get all stereobiogrammatic numbers that are of length n. It means that if you enter 2, it will be the 2-digit number has to show. If you enter 3, 3-digit number has to show. So let's we go for the program. Def gen underscore strobo grammatic n codes. Type n colon int colon r type colon list str colon 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 3 colon. Now once the colon is done, result equal to helper of n comma n. Result return result. Def helper of n comma length if n equal to 0, return colon. If n equal to 1, then return 1 comma 0 comma 8. Middles equal to helper open bracket n comma n minus 2 length. So once length is done, result equal to close bracket for middle in middles if n is not equal to length. Result dot append of 0 plus middle plus colon 0. Result dot append of age plus middle plus age. Result dot append of 1 plus middle plus 1. Result dot append of 9 plus middle plus 6. Result dot append of colon 6 plus middle plus 9. Return result. So now we can see what first we had done. Actually, first we had done just gen dot stro by grammatic of n, and then we have assigned the type n is integer and our type is list of string. So result is equal to helper of n comma n. Then if is n comma n, then return result. Then we have defined helper open bracket n comma length. If n is equal to 0, return double quotes. If n is not equal to 0, return 108. And middler helper is n minus 2 length. And the result is, and then we are getting the result from the middle is middles. From middle in middles we are doing we are printing the appending of the command. So just now we will run the program. We'll see. What is debugging we need to do actually? Result and we will see what is happening. Okay, actually in append we have given like this, right? Sorry, we stopped in result itself actually. Thing is, we didn't give any print of n is gent of strogrammatic of 2. Same, we need to here we need to give 3. 4. We'll run the program. Once again, we'll run the program. See, for n2 it's showing 2 digit, for n3 is showing 3 digit, for n4 it's showing 4 digit. So hopefully you understand how it's working, and thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please note in comment. We will update you in soon. Thank you so much.